Welcome to Monitech. Today we're going to do a Cincinnati Milacron Acramatic 2100 LCD upgrade, and we're going to walk you through the steps. To speed up the video a little bit, we took the screws out of most of this, so we're just going to walk through. It's six screws in here, here, and on the other side, and the bezel comes off. And there's also a couple ground cables that need to be removed from here and here. And then we have three more screws. One comes from here, here, and over here. And this whole top panel comes off, which exposes the CRT monitor. Next we have the anode lead comes off. We remove the neck board, just wiggle it, comes off. We got to remove the cable that goes to the yoke. There's a wire that goes all the way back here for the dag spring, and the degauss cable, which is the cable that goes around the tube. There's two cables down in the side here that have to come off. 4 screws, the CRT comes off. And there's a couple clips underneath that you need to cut. There. And then the whole CRT moves out of the way. And you're left with the electronics. The electronics, you got your neck board, your main driver board with power supply section, your AC filter, line filter, and then your video cables over here. And your input AC is right over here. So there's a screw that comes off here, and there's an additional screw that you have to get your screwdriver in to get that off, and the whole board slides that way. And there's a couple tie clips that you end up having to remove as well. Okay, we've gone ahead and assembled it a little bit more, and we'll go through the little details. We installed the new video cable right here, and over here we simply connected the power cables, and following the wire back here, we installed the power supply with some tie straps right here, and you can see the DC power into the monitor and the video into the monitor. We've also installed these 4 LCD brackets. This helps push the LCD forward so it sits really flush against the front screen. And this is what the Monitech LCD upgrade looks like inside the Cincinnati Milacron 2100 frame. Fits perfectly in the window, and when you go to the next step, you'll notice you see the foam that's here. You don't even have to remove it because the LCD fits exactly right inside the foam. It's a perfect snug fit. And then we attach the grounds, and it's ready to go back in the machine. So here we have the final product, the Cincinnati Milacron 2100 with the Monitech LCD upgrade inside. Looks the same as the original. That's the intent, so it doesn't look any different. It's going to go back in the machine the same way, functions will work the same way, and there you have it. You can go to our website, www.monitech.com, for any more information.